Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving deep into Kucoin's trading fees. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this review will give you all the insights you need to manage your trading costs effectively. And don't forget, you can use the Kucoin referral code r83QNF1 to get some amazing bonuses. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about Kucoin itself. Kucoin is a renowned cryptocurrency exchange known for its robust features, user-friendly interface, and competitive fee structure. But what makes Kucoin's fees stand out? Kucoin uses a tiered fee system where the fees decrease as your trading volume increases or if you hold more KCS tokens. This structure is designed to reward active traders and those who support the Kucoin ecosystem by holding KCS. For spot trading, Kucoin offers some of the lowest fees in the industry. The base fee for both market makers and takers is 0.1%, but as you move up the tier levels, these fees can decrease significantly. For instance, at higher tiers, market makers can even receive rebates instead of paying fees. Kucoin also has a competitive fee structure for futures trading. The fees vary depending on your VIP level, with higher levels enjoying lower fees. For example, top-tier users can enjoy maker fees as low as 5%, meaning they get paid for providing liquidity. When it comes to margin trading, the base fee is similar to spot trading at 0.1%, but interest is also charged based on the amount borrowed. Kucoin provides detailed information on how these fees are calculated, ensuring transparency. Leverage tokens allow you to trade with leverage without the risk of liquidation. The fees for these tokens include a management fee and a daily rebalancing fee, which are clearly outlined on Kucoin's platform. Kucoin offers a variety of trading bots that can help automate your trading strategies. These bots incur the same trading fees as regular spot trading, but you can get discounts if you use KCS to pay the fees. Kucoin does not charge any fees for deposits, but withdrawal fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency. These fees are generally competitive and reflect the network costs of transferring the funds. To maximize your savings on Kucoin, consider becoming a VIP user or using KCS to pay for your trading fees. VIP users enjoy lower fees across all trading activities, and using KCS can give you a 20% discount on your trading fees. Compared to other major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, Kucoin stands out for its low fees and the additional discounts available through the use of KCS tokens. This makes Kucoin a highly cost-effective option for active traders. Users generally praise Kucoin for its low fees and comprehensive fee structure. Many appreciate the transparency and the ability to significantly reduce fees through higher trading volumes and KCS holdings. To wrap it up, Kucoin offers a highly competitive fee structure that benefits both casual and high-volume traders. Its tiered system, coupled with the potential discounts from KCS, makes it one of the most attractive exchanges in terms of trading costs. Don't forget to use the referral code r83QNF1 when you sign up to get some great bonuses and kickstart your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy trading.